Good morning, students. Ahead I am teaching you from preparation of aldehydes from hydrocarbon. Okay, so aromatic aldehyde. Now I am teaching you for aromatic aldehydes. Benzaldehyde and its derivatives are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbons by the following method. First, by oxidation of methyl benzene. Methyl benzene means, see, this is the structure benzene and methyl group is there, so this is called toluene. But we will tell, by oxidation of methyl benzene, strong oxidizing agents oxidizes toluene and its derivatives to benzoic acid. Okay, first oxidation, so CH3 group is converting into benzoic acid group. It is possible to stop the oxidation at the aldehyde stage with suitable reagents that convert methyl group into intermediated one product we will get. So that convert methyl group, after that we will get an intermediated product that will stop, and that is difficult to oxidize further. Okay, now the following methods I will show you. First one, it is in your course, that is first one, use of chromial chloride. Use of chromial chloride oxidizes methyl group into chromium complex. See, first of all, toluene, we are using CrO2Cl2, suitable conditions, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. First we are getting an intermediate product to this, then on hydrolysis you are getting benzaldehyde. So simple conversion of toluene, that methyl benzene, into benzaldehyde by taking this as, and we are getting an intermediate product by using of chromial chloride. First one, this method is called this reaction is called the Attard reaction. Okay, so that was A. Now B, use of chromic oxide. We are using chromic oxide. Chromic oxide means CrO3 with suitable use of chromic oxide. Okay, so you are getting toluene, chromic oxide, plus this you are getting this intermediate product, and on hydrolysis further you are getting benzaldehyde. So simply toluene, methyl benzene is going to convert into benzaldehyde by taking this intermediate product, because I earlier said that by oxidation we are getting benzoic acid, and further we are getting to stop the oxidation, and so it will convert into benzaldehyde group. So use of chromic oxide, toluene or substitute toluene is converted to benzaldehyde diacetate on treating with chromic oxide in acetic anhydride. Okay, this is called acetic anhydride. The benzaldehyde diacetate can be hydrolyzed. This one is benzaldehyde diacetate. By hydrolysis you are getting benzaldehyde. Now see, second method. In first we did by oxidation of toluene. Two methods, A and B. Now in second method, by side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. First of all, what we did, toluene's methyl group was converting into oxidation. Further oxidation was stopped and you are getting aldehyde. Now this is going to convert into the chlorination we are doing. So CH3, we are getting CaCl2, we did chlorination, toluene's chlorination, you are getting benzyl chloride on further hydrolysis you are getting benzaldehyde. So second method is to toluene to convert into benzaldehyde by chlorination by suitable conditions. Now the third method is by Gettermann-Koch reaction. This reaction is called Koch reaction. Earlier I taught you Attard reaction. In Gettermann you are taking benzene is getting to convert into benzaldehyde by this anhydride AlCl3 plus CuCl. This reaction is called the Gettermann-Koch reaction. How? When benzene or its derivatives means other derivatives, you can keep here NH3 or what, is treated with carbon monoxide CO and hydrogen chloride HCl, and in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, it gives benzaldehyde or its substitute benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Getterman-Koch reactions. Okay, tomorrow we will do the preparation of ketones. So today I taught you from hydrocarbons by oxidation of methyl benzene, two methods by use of chromial chloride and use of chromic oxide. Okay, in the second method by side chain chlorination, in third by Getterman-Koch reaction. So these were the three important reactions for preparation of aldehyde. Okay.